Robots are stepping into everyday life, but their power depends on one thing: the internet connection. In cities like San Francisco and Phoenix, robotaxis are now just another ride, not a science experiment. From 200,000 robots in 2020 to over 750,000 today, Amazon's logistics are fully automated. And now, drones are pushing delivery speeds to the limit, taking robotics to the final mile. Telesurgery is the next leap, where doctors operate from continents away using robotics and high-speed networks. But none of this works without ultra-reliable, low-latency connectivity. It's the digital heartbeat of robotics. A dropped signal delays a drone. But during surgery, it's the difference between life and death. Enter the industrial Internet of Things, lossless networks that ensure critical data always gets through. It's not just hardware, it's service assurance. Every connection must work, end to end, all the time. Trust in robots starts with trust in their networks. When that syncs, the possibilities are endless. From production floors to hospital rooms, connected robotics is already reshaping our future. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.